Okay, camp. Today is day 3.
Yeah.
Day 3, right?
Yeah, I think so.
And we are going to Magic Kingdom on the ferry right
Did
now.
we get here on Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday. Look.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, they kissed you. They kissed you.
I didn't even realize it was coming right now. I was like, oh! Yeah, but I didn't know that there was one today.
We made it to Magic Kingdom.
Who's the yellow guy? I've never seen the yellow guy.
Finally here.
Another. Who's the yellow guy? Is that supposed to be Simba or something? It doesn't look like Simba.
I don't know.
Lift up your hat. All right.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, yes.
Can you take one of me and Daddy?
Oh, we're in Adventureland.
I don't remember ever
The lines
coming
are way
to this
better.
park.
It's less packed.
No?
No?
Yeah. Yeah, we've been here.
It's way less packed.
I want to do the jungle ride. All right, today we're doing round 2 of Dole Whip.
Oh, great.
I think I'm going to get the raspberry one today. I don't think I'm going to get the pineapple one. We'll see. We're going to get on the magic carpet ride for Daddy. We're going to get on the magic carpet ride, right?
I can go up.
Tommy does, I think, because he's going to be in the front.
How am I supposed to make it go up?
Quarterback. Riders in the back row should press that magic scarab.
Brian!
Everyone ready? Let's fly, Agrabah!
Up
Brian!
and then down. Up and then down.
Drop, Tommy, drop, drop!
Low, girl. Oh, it turned off.
Please stay seated until your magic carpet comes to a complete stop, then walk to the nearest exit. Hope you're on a magical ride. See you soon!
Welcome to Men's Collect. That way, goodbye to the people. Let them off. There we go. Yep, you'll never see them again. But then again, you've never seen them before, so oh well. So hi guys, my name's Katrina and I'll be your skipper today. Also be your campus stuff here, your stay timer, your friend, your pal, your staff, and for the next few weeks. So yeah, you guys thought this was a 10-minute tour. Just fun of you. If I got a suffer, you got a suffer with me. Off we go into the Amazon rainforest. We're raised about 365 days a year here. Whoa, that's like almost every day. Huh? Crazy, right?
Look at the way the rides are inside. Almost like one again.
Elijah, did y'all have fun
Sure did.
on the roller coasters? Which one was your favorite? Splash Mountain or?
Sled. Ice.
Oh.
That's pretty fun. We're gonna ride Space Mountain at the end.
Yeah.
We're gonna meet up in the turn.
This is a haunted mansion.
You are Gogo.
All right, just got off Haunted Mansion, and it's starting to rain a little bit.
We gotta hurry and get to space.
There's a little drizzle.
We're gonna complete it.
We're gonna go
Oh,
to
there's no
Space Mountain, ride that one, then
You have it on face cam. None of us.
yeah, and then where else?
Where he wants to go.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Something in the store. Not even a ride, it's a show.
And there's the
I
castle.
just need it for the store, that's all. We can just go inside the store then. We don't gotta wait that whole hour. Well, we might get hurt from doing one. Well, there was more to it, but I'm gonna put it in simple. I left the comments in, don't
This is how they separate everyone on the monorail. There's plastic
Good evening,
in
folks.
between
Welcome aboard Monorail
everyone.
Blue. Our next stop will be the Transportation and Ticket Center. For your safety, please remain seated
I'm by
and keep your face
myself.
coverings on at all times as well. Thanks so much, and once again,
So it's me by myself, Jazzy by herself, and
please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey
everybody else.
and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking. Thank you.
Ooh, look at the pool. Looks like fun.
Located in Disney's Grand Floridian, also in Celebrate.